Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to another video. So in today's video, we're going to be talking all about how to stay put together on a budget. How you can always look put together on a budget. I know that times are hard. I know that we're in a recession, child. I am a mom. I pay bills. So I know that times are hard. So you ain't got to say so much, okay? I'm going to be giving you a few tips that have personally helped me to elevate my look without having to spend too much. I think that these are tips that are going to be very helpful if you're on a journey to elevate yourself on a budget, without having to break the bank and doing too much, okay? So the very first thing that I'm going to say is having a skincare routine and a body care routine. So I'm not just going to say, usually skincare is associated to like a face care routine, but I would definitely say you need to have a steady skincare routine and a body care routine, one that makes you feel good. Let me just emphasize that. One that makes you feel good, especially your body care routine. Usually with a skincare routine is tailored to, your skincare needs and if you have any problem areas. But with your body care, for me, I feel like it's a feel-good thing, okay? I have recently upgraded my products that I use for my body care routine, and trust me when I say it makes a whole lot of difference, okay? And the number of times I've had people telling me, oh, you smell so good. And I haven't even done so much. I just know that I've layered a few products that just makes me feel good. And someone is saying that I smell good. You know what I'm saying? So I strongly believe that having a good skincare routine. Hi. If you have a toddler in the house, you could definitely relate. But what I'm trying to say is having a good skincare and body care routine makes you feel really good. Talking about body care routine, let me recommend a few products that you can use on a budget that can make you feel good, okay? That can make you smell delicious, okay? People are going to tell you that you smell delicious. Your partner might say that you taste delicious. I'm sorry, but I gotta put you on. I'm sorry, but I've got to put you on. My current favorite body care product moisturizer is the EOS. I'm currently using the EOS Vanilla Cashmere. Okay, I'll put it on the screen. You guys can take a screenshot of that. And if you're an EOS girly, please comment below and let me know, because I know there's a whole community of us that love EOS. And this is not even a sponsored video. Let me just say that. This has nothing to do with sponsored video. I'm just giving you guys tips and product that helps me feel good, but on a budget. So just so you know, I just needed to put it out there. But my current favorite moisturizer is the EOS Vanilla Cashmere. I usually pair it with my body oil. So I have this cocoa body oil that I use from Studio Selections. I honestly just picked it up from Dollar General, and these two things combined, they don't even cost $20, okay? But these two together, you guys, it is insanely good. It smells amazing. I'm not even kidding. So I don't want to go on and on, but I need you to try it out to let me know if you like it. And then also in terms of shower gel, Dove, they have their Christmas or holiday selection, and then there's this particular one which I think is a pumpkin spice. If you're looking for something to make you smell good and on a budget, try the Dove holiday collection. Their shower gels, it smells amazing paired with the Vanilla Cashmere EOS moisturizer and the cocoa body oil. Oh my god, like absolutely gorgeous. So yes, that's just a few recommendations on like body care products that you can use and ones that I am loving right now. So put it in there. But the main tip is have a skincare routine, have a body care routine, one that makes you feel good, feel confident, one that makes you smell good. Please moisturize your hands, moisturize your feet. So that's another thing. Now the next thing that I'm gonna say is you need to invest in some basic outfits, okay? Up until I started doing the whole buying a lot of basics, I didn't really understand. One thing about basics is you can elevate basics in the most easiest ways possible. You can have just a simple black dress and wear, nice gold jewelry, nice shoes, nice bags, and that will give you a whole new look. So when we talk basics, we're not talking like basic ass tank tops or like, yeah, that's definitely basics. But you want to invest in basics that are staples, basics that that you can, mix and match on different occasions without having to always spend money on new clothing for different occasions. So please invest in basics. You want to also invest in basic outfits that are very much your style, that's like sometimes you have just like a basic top, but but it might be like asymmetrical, cute things like that. Like, I feel like those things really makes a difference. You always want to look out for basic pieces that also stands out. With buying basics, besides the fact that you want to have basics that will match with different pieces and also different occasions, you want to have basic pieces that stands out. So you could have a very cute basic top, but then it has like a detail in the back that's like exaggerated, like types like that. So again, basics go a long way. You just need to know what your style is and how to play around with the basics. And to add on to that point, you want to find stores that sell good, affordable pieces that can make you look chic without having to spend too much. Okay? But there's a million and one websites, and I can mention maybe like 4 off the top of my head. There's Amazon, there's TikTok Shop, there is Mika's, there's Shein, there's Boohoo, there is AliExpress, there is a million and one. I literally just gave you 6 that you can buy really good, affordable pieces from without having to spend too much. So the next thing that I'm going to say is you want to have a signature everything. When I say a signature everything, you want to have a signature hairstyle. You want to have a signature makeup look, like an everyday makeup. People know for a fact that if someone has to call you out really quickly, this is what you're going to do because you're so used to it. It's so who you are. That's what I'm trying to say. You want to have a signature nail style that you do, which will be my next tip. You always want to have your nails done, groomed, put together. You don't need to put on extensions. This is what my nails look like right now. And this is just builder gel, okay? Builder gel on my natural nails. You don't always have to do nail extensions. Again, I need to say that. But you want to always make sure that your nails are groomed, your nails are clean. Put some nail polish on your nails. But one very big tip would always be having your nails done or having your nails groomed, okay? And my next tip, which I'm very passionate about, this thing I always talk about, literally ties back into every single point that I have given you, is DIY. DIY is the best budget-friendly tip anybody can give you on earth, okay? One thing that's going to save you so much money is learning how to do these things by yourself. Equipping your mentals with the resources and the information that you need to put yourself together without always having to seek a professional help. Learning how to do things for yourself. Like, what is the best thing other than doing things for yourself? Like, really, let's be honest. And so DIY cuts across in so many areas. But for me, when it comes to trying to stay elevated or trying to always look put together on a budget, DIY, learning how to do these things, knowing how to polish your nails, knowing how to do a little makeup here and there, knowing how to do your signature hairstyle. And that's why I always say, that's why I was saying that having a signature look is so important, because having a signature look means that you've mastered this look, So that's just to say that when it comes to trying to stay elevated or trying to learn things that helps you with yourself, it's a million and one information out there. So DIY, learn that information, equip yourself, use Skillshare if you have to, just find ways to learn how to do things. Now, the next tip that I'm going to say is perfumes. Now, perfumes for me is one of the easiest ways to show your personality. In general, putting some sort of perfume on, oh girl, that screams elevated to the core, to a T. You smell so good. I don't know. I love perfumes. It screams elevated. It screams well taken care of. It screams I pay attention to myself. That's one very easy way to elevate yourself. And there are a lot of affordable perfumes, especially on TikTok. If you know, you know. I have like 3 different perfumes that I've gotten from TikTok, and every single one of them I love. Every single one of them I love. So find you a signature scent or find you a good perfume. Perfumes is a really nice way to stay elevated. And the next thing that I'm gonna say is accessorize jewelry, okay? I love jewelry. I love jewelry. Immediately when someone sees you and they see the stock of jewelry that you're wearing, it can very easily tell the personality that you have, okay? I've always loved jewelry. I feel like jewelry is for me, jewelry is a way to show that I'm extra, okay? Like, you might not see how extra I am with the type of outfits that I wear, but you might see from the type of jewelry that I'm wearing, because I don't mind stacking on a few gold bangles, okay? And talking about jewelry, bracelet watches, You guys, bracelet watches, they are my new obsession, okay? I have a few of them that I got from Amazon. This particular one is just a gold bracelet watch, and it's really, really cute. And when I talk about accessories, I need you to have the go-to stack that you wear. You know, your go-to stack of rings, your go-to stack of chains. But jewelry for me screams elevated. It screams you put some sort of attention into your outlook, especially if you're going out and, you know, you have a whole stack of jewelry going. It's like, yep, you took your time with that. You know, so accessorizing is one big tip when it comes to staying elevated. And another thing with accessorizing is the watch that I'm talking about. Even though I'm obsessed with bracelet watches, adding a watch to whatever you're wearing, I feel like this screams classy. I am not even kidding. Is it just me? Comment below, let me know. Is it just me? I feel like adding a watch to your look always screams classy. 100% for me, that's my opinion. I feel like if you add a watch to your look, it just screams classy, elevated, well put together. You know, like it just screams cute. Okay, so again, Amazon has 1,000,001 watches that you can buy at very affordable prices, and maybe you want to start trying the bracelet watches. There are bracelet watches and there are also bangle watches. There are bangle watches where they just like clasp on like a bangle, but then it's a watch. It's cute. It's so cute. So cute. Now, this is not even a tip. It's just the last thing that I want to say. If you're the type of person that likes to buy luxury on a budget, okay? Because I know some of my girls not like affordable, $20 affordable. Because I know that some girls might want to, you know, every once in a while splurge on some good quality luxury pieces, but still don't want to spend crazy amounts of money. Because I know we like luxury out here, okay? There are 1,000,001 websites, okay? There is Vinted, where people sell their clothes, so it's like people sell their stuff. One very popular app is Depop, which I am going to be listing clothes on Depop, I think going into next week or going into 2025. But Depop is also one shop to find a lot of things. There's Poshmark, which is a very popular one. You know, Poshmark also has 1,000,001 luxury items at very affordable prices. And then there is The Real, where you can also find very luxury, okay? Extreme luxury pieces, like crazy luxury pieces. Some might not be like totally affordable, but you know, if you're generally the type of girl that likes to shop luxury products every now and then, these are some websites that you can try, okay? Depop, Vinted, Poshmark, The Real. These are websites that you can every now and then go through to see if they have anything new. So that's for my luxury girls, okay? So yes, guys, these are all tips that, again, I have used for myself to help me stay elevated or to help me stay put together without having to spend tons of money, okay? My favorite tip out of all of them would be DIY. I'm not even gonna lie, DIY is going to save you so much money out of all of these things. I love DIY. I'm gonna preach DIY every single time. With that being said, comment below and let me know if you have any tips that you have personally used to help you elevate yourself on a budget. I would love to hear, okay? And yeah, thank you guys so much for always coming back to watch another video. I love you. I appreciate you. I hope to see you in the next one. Bye.